thing. See am now. See am. Now be this. See, I swear to God, if anybody, make una no worry. God dey see all of us for this country wey we dey so. Everybody wey dey for this evil, wey dey happen for this country, tomorrow they will say na Buhari. Tomorrow everybody go dey point finger at Buhari. Nothing small opportunity wey we go get to represent our people well. No, my own community, God forbid bad thing. God forbid bad thing. See rubbish wey dey happen everywhere.
People don't come out.
See rubbish wey dey happen. They say make me, I dey pray. Say make me, I dey pray for person wey dey do wrong. Pray for wetin? Pray for which rubbish? Pray for which rubbish? How you gonna do this thing? Not if you tell me the road one, where the water go dey flow go? Where na home make the water dey flow go? Where the pastor, where the clear for here? Where the pastor to clear for here? I don't get problem with this now. Na the pastor wey dey teach the one wey dey do this nonsense. Now I get issue with. Na the bastard I get issue with. They will give them money when they do something. They are supposed to share the money. They will do rubbish. God will punish all of you. They will kill you. This road, they will kill all of you. See road, now my ordinary hand. Ordinary hand. Now I tell the open now so. Ordinary hand. See road where they do. See road where they do. Ogu go kill that person. Ogu go kill the person. God go punish all of una. When they represent us, when they do it, God go kill all of una. Because the money they come, una they chop her. Many of una when they do this thing, Ogu go kill una. Other than who did? I mean, therefore, they will not put anything. See rubbish. See nonsense. If I put that for this road, then so all go open. All the road go open. You say make I dey appeal with the person. God will punish anybody when they do so. Anybody where they represent us, when they represent well, God for kill am. Me, I know they fear us. You no get who no go die. If I die today now, don't die so. I know they fear anything. If I die today, I don't die, but everybody go die last time. Now road with this. One. How you go to do this thing? You no pull road. You dey cover am. You dey cover am. It make any sense to human being? If better than call, you no go wash am. Does it make any sense? God dey see all of us. No problem me, my over make I dey go my house. I don't feel talk am. I pray if I dey come back live, make I no come from Igala again. Make I no even come from Akukwedo again. Go out, make you go see what wey they do there. Well, who will kill everybody throw away? For this local government, should be election they come so. Somebody say make a day happy say somebody they do which one that work with this? Work well let my hand they remove. Say I be APC I no talk. Who PDP?